talking about flame tests today. Yay, fire. You're going to need to have the different chemicals that are out in the very small wayboats, and you will need to have the Q-tips or wood splints. At this time, I'm not sure which we're going to be using, and a Bunsen burner. Okay, step one, you're going to need to wear your goggles. It's very important. You should be wearing our goggles every time, but this is extra super important. All right, so you're going to wear your goggles, step one. Step two, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different samples. All right, so you're going to have a little wayboat that has a sample of sodium chloride. And I'm going to write the list down below, but we'll start with sodium chloride. Step 3, you're going to take your Q-tip. And you're going to put your Q-tip or your wet wood splint, dip them into water, and then dip them into the powder. So you've actually got some of that powder on the edge of your Q-tip. Okay? Step 4, you'll have to light your Bunsen burner. I didn't include the steps to light it because I'm just assuming that you know how to do that. We've already gone over it in class. But you'll have a lit Bunsen burner. You're going to want a nice blue cone flame. And you're going to put either that Q-tip or a wood splint into the flame, and you're going to be looking for a color. Okay? Step 5, you will record the color. Both write it, and I also want you to take a picture with the camera of it. And somehow when you take the picture, you're going to need to indicate which chemical it is. So you can, I'm going to have cards out. You can write the name of the chemical and hold it up while you've got the Q-tip in the flame. Okay. Then you're going to repeat for each of the salts. And they aren't necessarily going to be in this order. So you're going to, you'll have to walk around the room, and each station will have a different salt. And actually, like I said, 7, and we have more than that. We have quite a few. You're going to do sodium chloride. So you're going to need to make a data table. And your data table will have your salts on one side. And on the other side, you're going to put the color that you see when it's in the Bunsen burner flame. Sodium hydroxide, sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate. Again, this will be around the room, so if you want to just record it as you go, that way you don't have to match everything up. But I'm going to go ahead and give you the names now. Sodium carbonate, sodium sulfate, potassium nitrate, potassium sulfate, potassium chloride, lithium chloride, lithium carbonate, strontium nitrate, strontium chloride, copper 2 chloride, copper 2 nitrate, that would be copper 1 nitrate that I wrote, but I believe it's copper 2 nitrate that we have in the room, so I'm going to rewrite that real fast. Should go back and edit it out, but I'm lazy. And then copper 2 sulfate. I will correct this in class when we do this if it is copper 2 nitrate, not copper 1 nitrate. Okay? So you'll make your data table. If you want to go ahead and list these all now, that's fine. Just be aware of what you're testing as you go from station to station. And we will do the rest in class. Thank you very much.